morning, students. We are discussing about the quadratic equation and perhaps exercise number 4. Now I am going to solve a question of 4.2, question number 6. Question number 6 of exercise 4.2. Question is, a cottage industry produces a certain number of poultry articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day is equal to 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost both. Let number of article on particular day equal to X. If number of article equal to X, then cost is, therefore cost of one article equal to 3 more than twice of the number of article. That means 2x plus 3. Cost of one article is this and total number of the article equal to this. Therefore total cost 82. X into 2x plus 3 equal to 90. 90 given. Total cost on that day is equal to 90. Therefore 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. Now I am going to factorize it. 90 to the 180 and 2 9 ja 5 9 ja 3 3 ja 15 and 2x square plus 15x minus 2x 12x minus 90 equal to 0. Taking common x, 2x plus 15 minus 6 2x plus 15, therefore 2x plus 15 and x minus 6. If 2x plus 15 equal to 0, now 2x equal to minus 15, not possible, because number of any article or anything cannot be negative or non-integer. If x minus 6 equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 6. X is what? X is number of article. Therefore, number of article equal to 6 and the cost of one article equal to 2 into 6 plus 3, 15, RS 15. That is your answer. So, you shall all the questions of exercise number 4.2 be solved by the factorization method. Now, come and try to see solution of quadratic equation by completing the square. Completing square. It is also a method to factorize. यह भी फैक्टराइजेशन का ही एक मेथड है जिसको आपने पर्टिकुलर 9th क्लास में स्टडी किया है कि फैक्टराइजेशन के कुल कितने मेथड पॉसिबल हैं। तो उसमें एक मेथड ये भी है कि हाउ कैन बी फैक्टराइज द गिवन पॉलिनोमियल्स बाय द कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर. सो come and try to see one time again. One time again. First question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. We have to solve this quadratic equation by completing square. So first of all, divide all the steps of this quadratic equation by 2. Seven by 2 x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Now x square minus 2x into 7 by 4 square minus 7 by 4 square plus 3 by 2. This implies that x minus 7 by 4 square 49 by 16 and plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. X minus 7 by 4 square minus taking LCM 16, now 49 and plus 2 8 8 3 24 and is equal to 0. Finally you will get 7 by 4 square minus 25 by 16 square 16, and this can be written in the form of 5 by 4 square equal to 0. Using identity a square minus b square, in this step you will get 5 by 4 x minus 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. Therefore you will get x minus 2 by 4 and x minus 12 by 4 equal to 0. 1 by 2 and x minus 3 equal to 0. If x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0, now x is equal to 1 by 2. If x minus 3 equal to 0, now x is equal to 3. So आपने देखा कि कंप्लीटिंग फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को कैसे सॉल्व किया जाता है. There are 4 parts of question number first, second, third and fourth. ये 3 क्वेश्चंस मैं आपको होमवर्क दे रहा हूं, and I hope that you will try to solve these 3 questions in your homework and send me the solution of these 3 equations on my WhatsApp. I will see, otherwise I will solve it in the class of tomorrow. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही. थैंक यू. Now come and see some questions more. Second part, second question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation in given question number 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. Third method is quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is formula where a is coefficient of x square, B is coefficient of x and C be constant of equation. Now if you are going to solve this question by formula method, 2x square minus 7x plus 3, comparing A equal to 2, B equal to minus 7 and C equal to 3. Applying this formula, therefore x is equal to minus 7 plus minus root of minus 7 square minus 4 A C upon 2A. Calculate it and try to find the result of this question. X is equal to 7 plus minus root of 49 24 by 4. This is 7 plus minus root of 25. 7 plus minus 5 by 4. Taking positive, x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, that is 12 by 4, that is 3. Taking negative, x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4, that is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So your solution offset for this equation be, therefore solution offset for this equation is 3 and 1 by 2. No difference between factorization method and formula method. If you want to solve the question, method be separate but answer be remain constant. So your homework be increases all the 4 questions you have to solve by the formula method and completing square method. And I will see your homework tomorrow. So I stop here today. I will continue next. Thank you.